This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Samsung have done some small but massive changes in this device. So these are the final schematics of Samsung S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra coming in courtesy on leaks. And yes, we have a fresh new design in the Samsung S23/Plus back finish. Like we have the separate camera design similar to latest A13, and this type of design just make the dust collect near the module plus makes the device wobble on a flat surface. Rest of the specifications are same like a flat display with a center hole punch, selfie shooter, 1080p resolution with high refresh rate, and yes, most powerful 8 Gen 2 silicon. Now comes the exciting Galaxy S23 Ultra, which may look similar to last gen device like in terms of design language and schematics, but has some main changes you should note. So Ice Universe says Samsung is trimming down the chin and making it nearly symmetrical to side edges, which is awesome. We have a same boxy rectangular curved display with high refresh rate and high resolution panel, same S Pen support and same SIM card tray, which is nice, something Apple should learn, and yes, same rear design too. But the camera modules are now thicker and bigger. So Samsung this time is using a 200 megapixel main shooter which can take some high quality images in day and night lighting condition. Yeah, this along with a super wide, a telephoto lens and a periscope camera, which is always the perfect combination. So this device for sure looks cool, but the icing on cake is One UI 5 and Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 silicon. So in my opinion, the One UI 5 is the best A13 skin right now. Yes, you heard it right, cause the One UI 5 lock screen customization and smooth animation makes it better than any skin right now. This OS is coming along with the Samsung S23 Ultra out of the box with most powerful 8 Gen 2 silicon. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is made using TSMC 4nm process, is powerful, is super powerful, and is power efficient. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and